Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote that is not working. First, replace the batteries with a fresh set. Dead or weak batteries are the most common cause of this problem. Make sure the batteries are installed in the correct direction. Next, inspect the battery contacts inside the remote. If you notice white or green corrosion, gently clean the contacts with a cotton swab and a little rubbing alcohol. Let them dry, then test the remote again. If the remote light turns on, but the fan still does not respond, you may need to resync the remote. Turn off power to the ceiling fan at the wall switch or circuit breaker and wait 1 to 2 minutes. Turn the power back on, then within 30 seconds press and hold the 0 inches button, or the pair or learn button if your model has one. Hold it for about 5 seconds until the fan light blinks twice or you hear a beep. If the remote still does not work, nearby wireless devices like Wi-Fi routers, smart home equipment, or baby monitors could be causing signal interference. Try turning them off temporarily and test the remote again. Finally, turn off the breaker and check the wiring inside the fan canopy. Make sure all wire nuts are secure and no wires are loose. If everything looks fine, but the remote still does not work, the receiver inside the fan may need to be replaced. Thanks for watching.